What is up, guys? This is going to be my review, and I guess you could say kind of walkthrough of a 2015 Mini Cooper. So this is the 1.5 turbo. I believe they have a 2.0 turbo, and they have a naturally aspirated, but I'm not 100% sure which one the naturally aspirated is. I want to say it's the 2.0, but it could also be a 1.5. I'm not 100% sure. But this is the 4-door 1.5. Let's go ahead and I guess show you the motor real fast. There's not a whole lot. So you gotta pull this twice, apparently. Just don't know why they did that, but it's kind of interesting. And then, so here's the motor, mostly covered up, but you can't really, you can kind of see, you can see the turbo right back in there. Somewhat see it. But there's a turbo right back in there. But yeah, this is the car right here. It's 1.5. It's actually pretty quick for what it is. It's about, I want to say it's like 130s in the horsepower, I believe. And then the 2.0 makes about a little over 200. But yeah. I've driven this a couple times. This is not mine, but it is a friend of ours. And from what I can tell, it is a very good handling car. Very nice. So I'll just go ahead and show you the interior. So here's the interior of it. Nice leather seats. The seats are actually extreme. I guess it's got a back door. There's still some stuff in it, but here's the back seat. Kind of small, not gonna lie. I'm about right on 6 foot, and it's kind of small for me to fit back there, but it's alright. This is a Mini Cooper, it's kind of the point. Interesting is the key. This is the key for it, right here. So it's a, I guess you could call it a push button start. So you get in, I just shut the door. It's very nice inside. Now to start it, so you put your foot on the brake, and this is the button start right here. So it's telling me to seatbelt. This thing is very concerned. Like if the hood is popped or anything, it will go crazy on you. Like it's ridiculous. But so okay, so I'm gonna start off with this. This ring right here. So here's the climate controls right here. It moves with the climate control. I'm trying to get it all in here. This camera's not very wide angle. And it is so cool how it moves. So this tells you when it's getting in the cold, when it's getting in the hot. It's got dual climate control, but it's just very nice. That's off. This is the fuel gauge actually right here. So this goes all the way up. It's got a little under quarter or half a tank right now. But yeah. Oh, this is the shifter right here. I'm actually not 100% sure. I think, is it a 5-speed? Oh, it's a 6-speed actually. So that's pretty interesting. So you got a 6-speed. Put that back. Now this right here I find pretty cool. So it has a sport in green. It says it right here. So whenever you hit sport over one, that's motor hard, and it shines red all the way across. Hit it one more time, goes to mid. You can see it right there. And do that again. So hit sport, goes to sport, mid, and then green. And whenever it goes green, the whole thing goes green, and it lets you choose your options to get better gas mileage. So it tells you how much you're. So there's green mode. Mid, I'm not sure if there's any difference between mid, and then there's a sport, which unlocks the full potential of it. But yeah, it is a very interesting car inside. It's the traction control and the brakes and everything, all of that is in here. The seats, I will actually get out and show you the seats. The seats are actually quite nice in it. They hug pretty decent. I'm a pretty small, like skinny wise, and they hug very well to me, so I get the camera focus. But very nice seats. They are a little wide down in the bottom for me. they don't seem to, I guess you could say, these don't seem to grip like you would think, but the sides definitely grip really good. But yeah, it's a nice little car. And when I say little, it's not as small as the two-door version, obviously. I prefer the two-door version, but this is still a nice one. I'll let you hear the exhaust, what that sounds like. So this is just running, not much sound to it, and I'll give it a couple revs. I'll set a start up there just so you can hear what it sounds like when it starts up, but again, nothing special. It's all stock. Everything on this car is stock. It's just how they bought it. Sorry, the camera cut off there for some reason, so I'll just put these two together. But anyway, yeah, this is going to be my review on it, and I have a lot more cars that I'll be trying to do reviews on. Just in there, you can't really see them. There's an Audi TT, you got a 2016 4Runner, a Turbo S. I mean, we have a lot of cars that I'll be reviewing soon. We even have an old F100 that will probably make it on here soon. So I'm gonna try to upload more so I can get more content out. But as of right now, it's just been hard with other stuff I have going on to regularly upload. But this will be my video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.